Hello everyone. So I am going to, what I do every year is, well, every year that I cook, which is just about every year, I use these. The Reynolds Wrap Kitchen oven bags. And I'll show you what I have here. So I have a 16-pound fresh butterball turkey. Fresh is the best. They're hard to find, so if you don't have a fresh one, it's okay. Hopefully you've defrosted your turkey. It takes about 4 to 5 days in the refrigerator, depending on the size, to defrost it. So mine is almost there. I took it out because it's still a little bit frozen here, and I'm getting ready to throw it in the oven. So it's going to take, it's 16 pounds with the bag, with the oven bag, which I'll show you again, from Reynolds. I think it's Reynolds Wrap. Reynolds oven bags. They're the best. I mean, I'm sure they have other oven bags out there, but so what you want to do is I'll show you how to, what you have to do. But in the meantime, I made some of these turkey balls, like I showed you earlier in one of my videos on my channel. And that's what I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna snack. I'm gonna snack. Yum, yum. Bo says hi. So, you take your oven bag. I have one left. Like so. Really easy. You want to put a tablespoon of flour in there. Then you shake it up so the flour gets dispersed everywhere. Then you flatten this out. You take your turkey out of its packaging, rinse it off in the sink, make sure your sink is clean. Get out the gizzards, get out the gizzard pack and the liver and all that good stuff. Get all that out. Rinse your turkey really well. Put melted butter on it, or however you want to season your turkey. Everybody does it different. I'm really simple. I put butter on there, melted butter, and that's it. I throw it in here. It comes out beautiful. Now my turkey is 16.5 pounds, so it's going to take 2.5 hours with this bag. That's it. It's not an all-day thing. At 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's it. It's going to take 2.5 hours. You can't beat it. It comes out so good. Oh, I love it. It's very moist. Comes out perfect. So that's what I'm going to do this year. So whatever you're doing, have a good one and enjoy your Thanksgiving wherever you are. Bye. So I've got my oven bag here. A tablespoon of flour. My turkey. Make sure your sink is clean and you're using cold water. Get the neck out. Hold on. There's the neck. Okay. In the back here, there's going to be the turkey livers. Here, the bag of livers. Make sure the water's cold. You want to rinse your turkey really good. I have my oven set preheated to 350. My rack is down. Make sure you take the rack down before you preheat it, your oven. Okay, I've got my turkey in the bag. I've seasoned it. And I'm going to seal that. And then at the top, make 1, 2, 3 slits. 3 cuts. The knife, scissors, or whatever. Seal this up, and then I will drop it in the oven. I've got 1, 2, 3. You want to seal it loosely. You don't want it too tight. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. Make sure the bag is not touching anything. You don't want it touching the sides of the oven or anything like that. Okay. Now that it's in the oven, when it comes out, it's going to be moist. Moist. That's the secret of the Reynolds oven bag. If you want a moist turkey. I'm just being silly. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my video. And you can make mashed potatoes. You could do a side of corn. I'm not cooking for very many people, so I don't have to make a lot of things. I don't have a lot of people coming over, so it's very small. A very small circle of people. So, anyway, have a good one. And if you're eating alone this year, that's okay too. I've done that many, many times in my long life that I've had. Sometimes being alone is very peaceful. And families can be bonkers and crazy and talking about politics, and maybe there's some tension in the family or whatever, with brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles and kids and all of that, and it could get messy. So I kind of enjoyed my Thanksgivings that I had alone. So yeah, if you are alone, don't feel bad. I've been there too. And be grateful for the peace that you will have, because there'll be no drama. And, all right, well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you will subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't give me a thumbs down if you didn't like it. That wouldn't be good for the channel. Okay, take care. I'm Dorinda. Have a great day. Stay safe. And don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive, and don't smoke pot and drive either, or do prescription pills and drive, because all that's drugs. And don't drive if you're on any of that, please. Thank you. Bye.